So we are downloading Eclipse IDE. Go to the Eclipse IDE.org website and download the Eclipse. Press this button. So select the Eclipse installer and download the for the Windows for 64-bit. So I have already downloaded it. After downloading, press open. So select the Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Developer and select the C program files Java JDK21 as a partner. Why? Because we have installed JDK21 here itself. So don't select the any another path which is not available, and don't install the new one for the installation of Eclipse IDE. So why? Because we have already installed. Press install. Accept the license agreement. It will be downloaded if the net is fast. Now the installation has been completed. Press this launch button. So the first time it will ask for the use this workspace to store the development artifacts and the preferences. Okay. So development artifacts means development projects. What we are going to develop the projects. So tick mark this. So for the next time it won't ask again and again. So better to use only one workspace. Workspace means it's a folder structure where our projects are going to be stored. Launch. So after this, so it has been opened, the welcome page. So keep Eclipse IDE by scan the Microsoft Defender. Proceed. If not, it will ask again and again. So better to proceed. So select the server. No servers are available. Click this link to create a new server. So I am clicking the server. I am selecting the Apache because I have already installed Apache in my computer. Press next. Browse the location. So this is the location of Apache software Tomcat server. So select up to all the folders were available. Tomcat 10.1. Select the Tomcat 10.1. Press next. Press finish. Can you see the server? Yes. So start the server. For the first time there might be an error due to a Windows firewall blocker. For the next time onwards you can start it. So it may ask password also. If you have any administrative password, enter the passwords also. So I am going to show you how to create the project in the Eclipse IDE. Select new, select dynamic web project, enter the project name as hello. So by default the target runtime is the server which we have linked. So that's why I am linking the software before itself, before the creation of project. After this, select next. After that, again select next. Here, tick mark the generate web.xml. Press finish button. If the net is fast, it will be downloaded fastly. You can see that it is under 4%. Go to the source. What we are able to see here is the project structure. If you are creating a project, by default it is creating all the folders which are required for our project. When it comes to the Apache server, we are only going to create the folders which are to be there. So that is the advantage of using Eclipse IDE. By default, whatever we require, it will only create. So go to the web apps, right click, select new, select HTML file, and write the file name as index.html. So if you want to change the HTML version, you can change it. Finish. The basic HTML code will be available in the file itself. Write the content what you want to display. What is the title name of the project? Hello. That's why I am writing the title as hello. What is the name of the project? Hello. That's why I am writing the title with the hello. After that, save all. Go to the project. Now the project has been completed. Now I am showing you how to execute the project. Go to the project, select the project, right click the project. Now select run on server, select the server. If it is started or stop, you have to select the server. Press next. So you can see the both tabs like this available and configured. Available means the projects which are created in our Eclipse IDE. Configured means which we are going to deploy on the server. So whichever the project we want to run, that has to be configured. Okay, that has to be there here. The remaining can be removed. Press finish. So it is asking the server will be restarted. Do you want to restart the server? Press OK. Restart the server again. So the output has been came. The title name of hello and the content in the page is hello. So I have shown you the execution of project in the Eclipse IDE also. The only thing you have to remember is after executing the project, select the server, stop the server. After this only you have to close the Eclipse IDE. This is the process of executing a project in the Eclipse IDE.